Good day, all. It's my pleasure to interview John Catanzaro. He's the founder and CEO of Neo7Bioscience Incorporated. And John, first, would you just tell me a little bit about Neo7Biosciences?
Absolutely. Thanks for asking, Marianne. Neo7Bioscience is a company that is strategically moving and accelerating with a specific focus of precision molecular solutions. So, like in other words, we are focusing in on developing individualized therapeutics for patients, specifically in the area of active disease, and of course, cancer is the #1 active disease we focus in on.
Just to follow up on that, Neo7Bioscience, I always like to find out how you determine the name of your company. I'm sure there's a story there.
There is a story, and I get that asked. People ask me that a lot. So Neo7 pretty much, the root word, first of all, means moving worldwide, right? And then 7 is a lucky number. A lot of people look at it as 7 as a lucky number. Neo means something different, something that's outside of the norm. So we wanted to position ourselves to let everybody know that we are a company that are strategically involved in more expansive movement with more complete action and not afraid to go into the hidden world, so to speak. So like the molecular world is a hidden world, and we are learning all the time how to delve into that mysterious world and make sense out of it. And then, of course, the other part of 7 is the 7 continents and the fact that we wanted to really permeate globally.
Thank you. And to follow up along that, how is Neo7Bioscience in developing individualized therapies using data, molecular data, and specifically in cancer?
Yes, what we do is we take all of the patient's biodata points from, first of all, we get it from their liquid biopsy, whether it's tumor, blood, or urine, or disease site or whatever, and then we multiplex that data and build the molecular data expression. And when we build that molecular data expression, we begin that process of identifying where the faulty signal patterns are. So we are able to do on our AI platform a very intensive interrogation of picking up on faulty signal pathways. And when we detect those faulty signal pathways, we're not just outlining those pathways to find the problem. We're also keeping in mind that we want to have a solution-driven engineering to create the individualized therapeutic. So the end-to-end is the input of getting the patient's full sample matched to the target tissue of the diagnosis, building the data set, and then running the data set all the way through to the solution design at the end.
Well, thank you. So John is speaking this August 7th during the Platforms for Precision-Based Target Development session at the inaugural AI and Cancer Immunotherapy meeting, which is part of the Immuno-Oncology Summit in Boston. I'd just like to thank you for this brief interview, John, and I look forward to hearing more about your research this August. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Marianne. Thank you for the opportunity. Bye-bye.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.